everyone, welcome to All About IELTS powered by Savior Education Abroad. Today I'm going to discuss note completion question type in IELTS reading. So note completion question type क्या है? This category of questions is just like fill in the blanks that we all have done during our school time in many academic subjects. So these are generally scoring and less time taking questions. So all you have to do is read the incomplete sentences first, then using the words from the paragraph, locate the correct part of the reading text. तो यहाँ पे blanks होंगे, blanks को आपने fill करना है. So fill in the gaps words taken directly from the reading. आपने words directly लेने हैं reading में से and fill करने हैं. Do not use any paraphrased word over here. So think about the word which can be used in the gaps. That is, it can be a noun, it can be a verb, adjective. कुछ भी हो सकता है and take care that you do not change the word form. Word form को change ना करें. जैसे पहले कुछ question types में previous videos में paraphrase के बारे में कहा था, तो यहाँ पे कोई paraphrased answer नहीं ढूंढना होता आपने. यहाँ पे directly word gaps में fill करना होता है. एक चीज और ध्यान रखना है, make sure that your answer fits grammatically in the sentence. Above all, be careful with the word limit. वर्ड लिमिट आपकी एक्सीड नहीं होनी चाहिए. जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस में दी गई होती है सेम वर्ड लिमिट आपने यूज करनी है. सो बी केयरफुल विद ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो विल हैव अ क्विक रिव्यू ऑफ व्हाट टू डू इन नोट कंप्लीशन. रीड द इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंसेस फर्स्ट. लोकेट द करेक्ट पार्ट ऑफ द रीडिंग टेक्स्ट फॉर ईच कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. Fill the gaps with the words taken directly from the reading text. Think about the word form that can be used in the gaps, that is noun, verbs, adjectives, and make sure that your answers are grammatically correct. And don't exceed the word limit. So that's it for this type of question. Now let's look at an example. You can see on your screen that questions have been given below, and on the top there is a passage. So I'll read out the questions. So questions हैं, complete the notes below. Write your answers in boxes दिया गया है. So you'll have to read the instructions and then read the heading जो कह रहा है कि question में step pyramid of Djoser. It says the complex that includes a step pyramid and its surroundings is considered as big as an Egyptian dash of the past. तो अब हमने इसका blank जो है, blank में जो fit होने वाला word है वो हमने passage में ढूंढना है. So as I read the passage, we'll look for the answer. When finally completed, the step pyramid rose 62 meters high and was the tallest structure of its time. The complex in which it was built was the size of a city in ancient Egypt and included a temple, courtyards, shrines and living quarters for the priests. तो अब as you can see यहाँ पे mention है the complex in which it was built was the size of a city in ancient Egypt. Ancient Egypt. अब जो क्वेश्चन में है it says as big as an Egyptian. यहाँ पे आंसर आएगा city, क्योंकि वहाँ पे mention है was the size of a city in ancient Egypt. So it is same as Egyptian city and in ancient Egypt. So the correct answer over here is city. So ये आप ऐसे locate कर सकते हो answers passage में. So word जो है आपने जो pick करना है और fill करना है that will be exactly the same. And now you can look for the next questions and try to find out the answer by yourself. Thank you. Stay tuned with our channel and till then, happy learning.